Hi, I'm Bill with Soar Outdoor, here on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. Today we're at Chapel Ledges in Ashfield, Massachusetts, trustees of the reservation property. And in this series I'm going to be talking about rock climbing gear. We're going to talk about climbing chalk and chalk bags. Used to be a contentious issue back in the 70s or so. People thought it was cheating to use chalk. Nowadays, most everyone uses it. Still makes sense to think about how you use it, how much you use, what it does for you. The bag that you're going to carry it in, here's a couple variations. They come in all sorts of styles, shapes, and colors. Generally speaking, something about this size is big enough. If you're going to be bouldering and hanging out in one place for a while, you might buy a big bucket to just sit on the ground. But if you're carrying it with you, this is plenty big enough. Inside the bag, you've got chalk in one form or another. I want to recommend to you a chalk ball because this contains the chalk inside a fabric covering. You can see my hands are still getting chalky, but it's not going to spill. Bad climber etiquette is to fill your chalk bag with all kinds of loose chalk, sit down, have it dump out, and leave a big mess behind. So, nice concise chalk bag that meets your style with a chalk ball inside. That's going to give your hands a little powdery coating, which keeps the sweat down, makes you grip the rock a little bit better, maybe gives you a little psychological advantage too while you're up there. So, choose what fits you.